This is a jug filled of contaminated water, and this is a purified glass of water. They both have similar origin. In fact, they were once the same water. How can they look so different? And why are we doing this? This river you're watching is the main fluvial channel of the Bogota savanna. It travels about 380 kilometers, crossing the whole Cundinamarca department in the middle of Colombia. For decades, it has been polluted with all kinds of wastes from the cities nearby. You may wonder where this unpleasant pollution comes from. The main cause is domestic, industrial, and agricultural waste. All of this has made the Bogota River bring many problems to a huge number of people, including diseases, health difficulties, damaging vegetation as crops, and terrible smell. The contamination is so bad that in the most affected parts of the river there is no oxygenation in the water. The locals are quite affected by the river pollution. They complain about the horrific odors that the river is constantly releasing, the damage to their crops by the chemicals and the heavy metals from the river, and most importantly, their health is being affected by all the pollutants. Despite the river has been neglected for decades, there are some course measures that have helped greatly by the implementation of the Canoas water treatment plant and the full closure of the river to public use. However, this is not nearly enough. We needed something sustainable that was easy to use with a short-term goal. The most viable solution that could suit our terms was efficient microorganisms due to the price and the great effectiveness. These microorganisms predominantly consist of lactic acid bacteria, photosynthetic bacteria, yeast, fermenting fungi, and actinomycetes. These outstanding microorganisms are able to clean and decontaminate large amounts of contaminated water at an approximate rate of 3 to 0.1 liters of EM. 32 days is the amount of days it took for the efficient microorganisms to purify 3 liters of contaminated water that can now be suitable for animal consumption, agricultural consumption, and if we had an extra month, it could be suitable for human consumption. In order of having the finest results, we had 2 jugs with the same polluting agent. One had 0.1 liters of EM. We used red phenol compound for measuring the pH of each jug. We took 3 results in the first day of the experiment, after 10 days, and in the last day of it. Our results were just as expected, and it drives us to our conclusion. Our results can confirm that efficient microorganisms in fact help fight pollutants factors in the Bogota River. If this project could get more support from higher entities, we truly believe that we can get back the health of the river. And without further investigation, we can optimize the implementation of EM, like in Egypt, where they are using this for getting rid of dumpster material, along with the Ganges River, where they are also making tests on the efficiency of it.